and see the water spraying out as it and
Nuranang Falls, also known as Jung Falls or Bong Falls, is a breathtaking natural wonder situated about 2 kilometers northeast of Jung town.
so we are going down to see the Jang Falls or the Nura Falls. So our vehicle is there. From there we have to walk down. Let's see how much we have to walk.
There is a small hydroelectric plant called the Jung Hydel plant which generates electricity for local use.
And just round the corner, and that's the marvelous thing that we came to see today, the Jang Falls or the Nura Falls. Oh, it's awesome. Let me take you closer to it. So this is a small bridge. It's quite a trek down. But steps are made, so it's not a problem. That's where we need to go, there, to meet the waterfall. So it's a long way down. So let's start. We're still going down. There, the distance, you can see the river. In these places, you should never hurry. Take your time to go down, take your time to move up. Lots of water. Since it has rained here, I can feel the sprinkle of water here from so far. And just see. Ooh, awesome! Oh my God, you can see the sprinkle of water from here. just see this waterfall. Just see the volume of water that's coming down from up there. Can you hear the roaring water coming down, falling from such a height? And see the water spraying out as it reaches down and falling on the rocks. Oh my God. And that's the river. What an awesome place. And just see the swiftness of the water, of the river flowing.
The waterfall plunges dramatically from a height of approximately 100 meters, creating a powerful and mesmerizing spectacle of roaring waters and misty spray. It often appears as a pristine white veil of water against the landscape, cascading down rocky cliffs in multiple tiers.
Oh my God! I can feel the spray on my face. Just see. Oh, the water is so cold. The swiftness of the river and the waterfall. Just listen to the gurgling of water. Such a wonderful sight. This is nature's beauty to its fullest. Oh, awesome, awesome. Don't have any other word to explain or describe this feeling. Only when you come here, stand in front, stand here in person and look at this waterfall with your own two eyes, you will understand. But I hope through my video, you will get a feel how I am feeling at this moment and what I am seeing.
The Nuranang River or Pachung River feeds the falls and eventually merges with the Tawang River after the waterfall. The powerful descent of the water creates a cool mist that gently caresses the air and the surrounding hills, often giving rise to rainbows on sunny days, adding a magical touch.
clear blue sky with white clouds floating by, and the green hills, the swift gurgling river, and a massive waterfall. What a place. Just what a place.
The waterfall and the Nuranang River are named after a local Monpa girl named Noora, who played a heroic role during the 1962 Sino-Indian War by assisting rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat of the Indian Army. Her bravery is commemorated in the name. The falls gained further recognition after a song from the Bollywood movie Koila was filmed here. The falls are nestled amidst dense verdant forests and surrounded by towering hills. This rich greenery provides a stunning contrast to the white cascade, enhancing its visual appeal.
We are at Jaswanthgarh War Museum. And just look at the surrounding first before we get inside. This is the entrance.
The Jaswanthgarh War Memorial is a poignant tribute to the valor and sacrifice of Indian soldiers, particularly Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat during the 1962 Sino-Indian War. It is located near Sela Pass in the Tawang district at an altitude of approximately 10,000 feet. Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat of the 4th Garhwal Rifles is said to have single handedly held off the Chinese army for 72 hours, inflicting significant casualties before being martyred. He was posthumously awarded the Mahavir Chakra, India's second highest gallantry award. The memorial features a temple like structure adorned with a camouflage pattern blending into the natural surroundings. Inside, there's a small museum that houses personal belongings of Jaswant Singh Rawat, including his uniform, cap, watch, and belt, along with weapons, photographs, and other memorabilia from the 1962 war. It also provides insights into the history of the Sino Indian War.
This is the view of the valley from the top, and these are the bunkers here. We are at the top, and this is the way the Chinese soldiers attacked. This is the way they moved up. They were constantly firing and attacking, and that red marked rock is the place from where our Indian soldiers were defending and resisting the attack. And this was the post of our Indian soldiers from where they were firing towards the Chinese soldiers. We are here because of our brave soldiers. We owe everything to them.
A unique aspect is the ongoing reverence for Jaswant Singh Rawat. Indian Army personnel stationed there meticulously maintain his uniform, polish his boots, and even provide meals as if he was still alive, believing his spirit continues to protect the region.
This is Jaswanthgarh War Memorial. There is a cafeteria and a small gift shop.
Thanks for watching Travel Hues. If you like our videos, please do like, share, and of course, subscribe our channel. See you in our next video. Bye bye.